Tom, from the beginning of this build, I think some of the best features are definitely the architectural details. We have a lot of unique ceiling details throughout this space. We have some cool cantilevered step details. So right above me, there's actually a recessed portion cantilever window that's further out than the rest of the windows on this wall, which is cool, especially being this is a hunting lodge, because it's a perfect opportunity to put some mounts up there. There's some other locations for this same detail in the house. This raised ceiling with the tongue and groove details and all the custom beamwork, that's really unique. We have other unique architectural details like the window extension jambs that act as casing. So I think those are probably my favorite details in this whole house, not only just the kitchen space, but really just the house itself.
Talking about the ceiling, it's absolutely beautiful. It's pine, custom stained to match the woodwork within this. Do you want to talk a little bit about tongue and groove and then maybe what end match is and why in this ceiling, if that makes sense?
So when you have long runs of tongue and groove ceiling, the only way that you can keep it from, I guess, creating kind of a wave in between the long ends of the panels is that you make sure the tongue and groove itself is end matched, which means that there's tongue and groove actually on the ends of the panels, not just the side. So that helps this whole ceiling come together, remain really flat, and ultimately achieve the look that we were going for in this space.
As you can see, we're standing in the kitchen. One of the most important details is where you're gonna entertain, have fun with family and friends. You're looking at it right here. No matter how you design a space, this ends up having a magnet in it to entertain. So this is as big as we can get a slab without having a seam in it. This is 10 feet wide, 5 feet deep, an amazing island, really just built for entertaining.
And with that entertaining in mind, our clients here also had that in mind, and we made sure that we put in 2 dishwashers so that at the end of a big meal entertaining for all of your family, for a holiday, or just to come out here for a long weekend, we do have the 2 dishwashers so that your time is spent just having fun instead of working. So I think a big design intent of this whole space was just built around the fact that people want to spend time together.
Keep the conversation going instead of having to stop to do dishes. Same thing when you're prepping the food. As you can see here, we have a 48-inch cooktop. It's complete with a griddle, 6 burners. You can get them in different configurations, different brands that make these. But if you're gonna be cooking a lot of food for a lot of people, you should definitely entertain the 48-inch cooktop option.
And then for other big holidays right behind Tom as well, is the double oven, which is a must-have again for big families and fun gatherings.
Behind me is a pantry, fully stocked with food for those gatherings. And then Parker, if you want to talk maybe just about the backsplash here and tying that exterior to the inside.
So the same stone that we used on the exterior of this build comes inside in multiple locations. We actually have it behind the cooktop. We have it behind the kitchen window, and then also over there or on the fireplace inside and out. Another thing that we did, because cleaning stone is always a big concern, is that we actually did clear coat the stone behind this cooktop so that when there's inevitable splatter and stuff like that, it does make it a bit easier to clean rather than just having the stone with no coating on it.
No one wants to have spaghetti sauce on there for 5 years, so it's a good option if you're entertaining a backsplash like this.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out with us today. If you're gonna build any unique project in a rural area, we're your guys. Don't make the mistake of building with anyone else. Call Epic.